I'm in love again. Oh, oh. She gives me my medicine and we were meant to be. She works at the dispensary and every time I see her, she gets me oh so high.
Yo, I had a really bad day. It was a downer. I walk into the place, hoping my girl's behind the counter. When they buzz me in, I got my fingers crossed. I smell kush and I hear some weird music like Sugar Ross. I'm flabbergasted when I enter the spot, cause I seen my girl before and she was never this hot. And I know I'm gonna spend a lot of time picking weed up today. Yeah. She got me singing like
oh, oh, oh. I think I'm in love again. Oh, oh. She gives me my medicine and we were meant to be. She works at the dispensary and every time I see her, she gets me oh so high.
Yo, she got a smile so healthy, attitude mellow, no need to sell me. She had me at hello with her little black dress on, her skin just glows. Jamaican flag rings on her index toes. When it comes to weed knowledge, she's kind of a diva, well versed in the new kind of sativa. I'm a believer, she THC to my mind every time I see her. I be screaming
oh, oh, oh. I think I'm in love again. Oh, oh. She gives me my medicine and we were meant to be. She works at the dispensary and every time I see her, she gets me oh so high.
There couldn't be a better day to pick up an ace. It gets me so high looking at your pretty face, and I wish you would say you want to be mine. Hey yo, she's so positive, always in a fun mood. Ass kinda thick, she probably eats a lot of junk food. I ain't just some dude, I'm that one dude you've been looking for. You ain't gotta look no more, we can get high, lay around and cook some s'mores. To describe you, I'd need a good thesaurus, cause it ain't enough words that I've learned thus far to tell you how beautiful you are. Girl, you got me like
oh, oh, oh. I think I'm in love again. Oh, oh. She gives me my medicine and we were meant to be. She works at the dispensary and every time I